Now that you've drawn parabolas and looked at the patterns of how the family of graphs work, it's really easy to write the equations if you're given a parabola. Okay, assume these are parabolas in x squared, and so we look at this and notice that this parabola has gone up 1, 2, 3, it's moved up the y-axis 4 places, and so I can write that as y equals x squared plus 4, because the regular parabola would go down through 0. So that's y equals x squared plus 4. Let's look at the next one. I notice that it has been moved to the right 4 places, because originally it's down here through 0. And it's moved, the vertex is moved to the right 4, so I can immediately write the equation as y equals x minus 4 bracket all squared. Remember, minus in the bracket moved to the right. This parabola has been moved down. Now make sure you know the scale, that's at -1. And so I could write the equation of that as y equals x squared minus 1, because it's just moved up and down the y-axis. And the last one has moved to the left, the vertex has moved to the left 1, it's at -1. So I can write that as y equals bracket, because that's our left-right movement, x, and it's the opposite to what you think it's going to be. You put a plus in there if it's moved into to the left. X plus 1 all squared. Now you could get one where, let's say we'll draw one through here. It's a combination, and so it has moved to the right 2, and so we put that into our bracket as x minus 2 all squared, but it's also been moved up 4, and so you put a plus 4 on the end. Great, and that's it for this series.